So we've got another workshop that's just been erected. A poor old workshop there that's been there 15 years is really absolutely packed out now, and I need some more space. We've taken on so many more GHD models that all the spares, well, they simply don't fit in there anymore. So we've gone with this 14 by 8, it just fits in perfectly. And I wasn't going to video this or anything, but I thought, actually, the other one was insulated with sheets of polystyrene with plasterboard over the top, and then I built my own workbenches, but the insulation was never really that good, so I thought we'd try and do this one a little bit better. Prices have just shot up. I mean, it's actually cheaper to buy workbenches ready-made, metal ones, than it is to try and buy the wood yourself. Back when I built the other one, I had a load of 2x4s, and we just bought some cheap work surface, and I knocked them up myself. So look, insulation, again, this is trying to be done as cheap as possible. I've gone for this super foil. I've got 3 rolls of it so far, and I've literally just stapled it onto the battens, and it's super easy to cut out. Just with a knife you can very easily trim around all of the edges. I don't know whether I should leave a little bit more ventilation than I am doing, but this is going to have the laser equipment in, the CO2 laser, which has got vents, and probably not the metal marking laser. I need that on a daily basis. In the other workshop I security mark parts and things. So there will be plenty of ventilation. I mean, it's never going to be airtight. I don't think it's an issue. So yeah, there we go. Something else that's really helped is this Bosch. Where is it? There it is. It's a little Bosch cordless stapler that is making things much easier. Charged it last night, and comes with some staples. Probably not enough, but yeah, I can easily pop down to Wicks for more staples. I do not like the USB charger lead that they supply. Would have much preferred the normal 3.5 or whatever jack. Yeah, it just goes in the end there. I mean, that's just Chinese tack quality, which is I'm sure where this is made. I assume it is. Anyway, so that's really helped. I've got some LED batten lights, we've got 4 4-foot lights, should be more than enough. I've gone for a pull switch for the lighting as I come into the workshop. We've got 10 or 12 sockets, a few of them are USB charging sockets, and yeah, that's where we are at the moment. The workshops and the sheds we've got in the grounds have all come from A&J Sectional over in Wellingborough. Actually, they're not. The main office I don't think is in Wellingborough. They've got a showroom in one of the garden centres in Wellingborough. They've been excellent over the last 10 or 12 years. I think we've had 7 different buildings and sheds and workshops from them. So yeah, very pleased with them. The quality is very good. We've only ever had one problem, which is that one out there. They just left the roofing felt just a little bit short, and there was some water trickling in, but they came back to fix it a couple of years ago, and I just said, yeah, just please leave this hanging right over the edge. As you can see, that's what they've done, and I've just gone up and used some bitumen paint on the screws and the joints. I do the same on the other one there every year or two, just to keep it nice and watertight. So we're going to just get some cheap carpet from Tappy Carpets down in Wellingborough once I've got all this finished. Wicks are delivering some, I think it's 5.5mm ply, 2.4 by 1.2 metre length, so that's just going to go over the top of this insulation. Hopefully this is going to be better than nothing, and it definitely is the cheapest solution currently. Yeah, so there we go. I thought I might as well make a little video or a few videos about this, and yeah, we'll see how it ends up.